Chicago's #1 news. This is ABC 7 Eyewitness News at 11.
And there's a lot of whitening products out there when it comes to your teeth. The so-called Queen of Smiles here with her top tips. Welcome back, everyone. Teeth whitening is a big business, but you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to get a brighter and whiter smile. Dr. Catrise Austin is here to show us how using natural and organic products can help to whiten teeth as well. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
I'm excited to talk about all the stuff on the table. We have some of my favorite things here.
Oh, absolutely.
And now, who are the best candidates for getting their teeth whitened?
Well, anyone that has a pure yellow color can get whitening. Teenagers after the age of 16 up to your grandma can get teeth whitening, because as we get older, our teeth tend to get more yellow. So I love teeth whitening because it's one of the easiest things that you can do to transform your smile and get a better appearance.
Now, something that holds a lot of people back is the cost. It can cost thousands of dollars depending on how you do it. So how do you do it inexpensively?
Well, in my book, I talk about some at-home remedies that you can use and some recipes that you can create, because you first need to know what is staining your teeth. So we'd like to get rid of or minimize the red wine and the berries.
And the coffee.
And the coffee and the tea that we all need. But there are things like the tools. There are two powerful tools that I recommend, the electric toothbrush and the water pick. You combine these two things together, it's like a car wash for your teeth.
I use this one, so I'm familiar with this, but I haven't used this.
The water pick is like, you know when you go to the dentist and we use that thing called a Cavitron and it gets the plaque and the tartar off your teeth? This is your version at home to do that. So combine those two. It's like it's a car wash, and it's fantastic. And then there's some recipes that we recommend that you can do from the kitchen cabinet, like baking soda. This is one of the things that Julia Roberts does to whiten her teeth.
Okay.
You just take baking soda, use your toothbrush, and you can dip it right into the baking soda and brush. Or one of the secrets that Catherine Zeta-Jones uses is fresh strawberries. You can take the strawberry, rub it on your teeth. It has malic acid, which has natural whitening properties.
You would think because it's red, it wouldn't help to whiten anything.
That malic acid is known for whitening the teeth. And then the newest thing is the coconut oil.
Okay. Dr. Catrise Austin, you also have your book here. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Thank you so much.
We appreciate your time, and you can read more about Dr. Austin's advice for a brighter and whiter smile in that new book. We'll link you to it on our website.